Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to cut an easy off-shoulder circle blouse. So I will demonstrate on the pattern paper first before I cut it out on my fabric. First thing you will do is place your pattern paper on a bias, just like I did here. Then you divide your shoulder by 2 and place that measurement exactly how I'm doing here. Okay, so you use your ruler to draw a line. So this will be our guideline. On that guideline, you will be minusing 5 inches. Then you get your chest line. That's your shoulder, from your shoulder to your chest. And that's where we'll be placing the bust measurement. Okay, then you draw the line. Now on that chest line, you divide your bust measurement by 4 plus 1 inch seam allowance, and you place that measurement there. All right, then you use your French curve and connect that measurement to the tip of the shoulder to create the armhole. Then you place again your tape measurement minus 5 inches to get the length of the blouse that you desire. I'm working with 25 inches plus 1 inch seam allowance. Then you mark that measurement all around in a circle form, just like I'm doing here. Alright, so after that, you use your ruler, connect your from your chest line down to your length of the blouse. And then you mark the measurement that you made earlier in a circle. You connect all the lines together to create a circle. Then at the tip of the shoulder, on the folded edge, you come down by 2 inches to be able to create a round neckline. You don't have this, this is optional. You can choose to just leave your own as is, but for me, I want to make a round neckline, so that's what I did. And basically the pattern is ready to be cut out. So this blouse is really very easy to make. I made mine in less than 2 hours. It's very easy and, you know, beginner friendly. And, you know, if you have more questions or if anything is not clear to you, please feel free to comment down below and I'll be able to walk you through it. All right. So this is the pattern after you cut it out, and that's what it looks like. So now if you wish to just put a strap on yours, I'm going to show you how to do that, but I will be using a sleeve on my own. So you're going to get, assuming this is your fabric, you're going to fold it into 2, and the width is going to be 1.5 inches, and the length will be 10 inches. Remember, we took off 5 inches at the beginning, so you're gonna be 10 inches so that when you fold it into 2, it's going to make 5 inches. and that's what the strap that you'll be adding on your blouse. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I marked out 10 inches. And if this is your assuming this is your fabric, you just, just like I'm showing you right here, you cut it out. Then split it into two. And create your strap like that, like I'm doing. If assuming this is your fabric, you're gonna fold it into two, sew it in your machine and turn it over. So that's where you'll be placing the strap. That's if you do not want to put a sleeve, but I will be placing a sleeve on my own. So that's why I'm just demonstrating what you can do if you just want the strap. Okay, so it's very easy. If you put this strap, then you sew the sides together and you're basically good to go. So that's how the blouse will look like if you just want, to put the strap on it. All right. Okay, now so I'm ready to cut out the pattern on my fabric. So you have to do is place the fold your fabric into two, place the folded edge of your pattern, matching the folded edge of your fabric, and then you pin it down. So I'm cutting out the front first. I will be adding zipper in the back. So I'll cut out the front and then show you how you can cut out the back. So this is the fabric cut out. So now for the back, since we're going to be adding zipper in the back, first you're going to go on the folded edge, measure out 1.5 inches for the zip allowance. Using your chalk, you measure it all the way down. Then use your ruler and connect all the lines in a straight line. So that's where you're going to place your pattern. Place your pattern on the line that you marked out. Then pin down your your pattern paper. And then we'll be cutting that out. All right. Okay, so now for the sleeve, I'll be adding a sleeve a short sleeve. However, I'll be adding elastic to gather that together. So what I did is I folded my fabric into 4, so I'll be able to cut 2 at the same time. And then remember, we at the beginning we marked out 5 inches because this is an off shoulder, so I marked out my 5.5 inches. Half inch is the seam allowance. Then from that line I went down by 4 inches, which is my cap length, and then on that cap length I'm placing my armhole measurement divided by 2, which is 9 inches, and then I use my French curve and connect that line to the 5.5 mark, 5.5 inch mark at the beginning. So I'm not using a round sleeve because I'm gonna use an elastic and gather. So I just draw the line all the way down the entire length of my sleeve. You can measure yours, so you can add 10 inches, 11, or depending on how full you want your sleeve to be. So this is how much fabric I have, and that's what I was working with. So now we cut out the sleeve. Okay, so that's how it looks like when you cut it out. Let's say that the bottom I'll be gathering it with a 1 inch elastic. Alright, so now this is the blouse. I've gone ahead and sewn the back and the sides. Now to add the sleeve, you add it like I'm showing you here, and then you gather with the elastic. So this is the blouse. I've finished sewing it and added the elastic and hemmed the bottom, and this is how it comes out to be. I hope that you like this tutorial. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye bye.